Episode 4, The Secret Viral Boost Formula. Welcome back to the Instagram Growth Masterclass 2025. This is episode 4, and today I'm revealing the viral boost formula. If your posts are not going viral, this episode is exactly what you need. Section 1, What boosts a post to go viral? First of all, you need to understand what actually boosts your post and makes it go viral. The main factor is engagement. Instagram only boosts posts that get a lot of interaction, and not just likes, but also comments, shares, and saves. So your content needs to be designed in a way that it is shareable, something people would want to send to others. It is saveable. Add useful information so that people want to save it for future use. Section 2, The Kylie Jenner Hack. Now you've posted great content, but you're still not getting engagement? Here is one of the secret method most creators use, but not everyone tell you about this secret hack. Here's one of the secret techniques. Trade engagements with Kylie Jenner's followers. Here's how to do it. 1. Go to Kylie Jenner's most recent post. 2. Look at the comment section. You'll find comments like, first. It means, like my first post. LB stands for like back. Similarly, CB means comment back. Row means like the entire row of posts, like or comment on their profile's post as requested. In return, they'll like or comment on your post back, especially your latest one. Don't overdo this. Do it slowly, maybe for 4 to 5 people a day. Spending max 5 minutes daily on this can kickstart your engagement. Section 4. Competitor comment strategy. Another way to grow is by replying to comments on your competitors' posts of your niche. 1. Check who's commenting on their posts. 2. Leave a value-packed reply to those users. It builds visibility. New people will visit your profile to check who you are. If your content speaks to them, they'll likely engage, like, comment, save, or even share. Also, whenever you comment, use the real name of the person, not their username. That makes it feel personal and friendly and increases your chances of building a real connection. That's it for episode 4, the viral boost formula. Let's quickly recap. Create shareable plus saveable content. Trade engagement with Kylie Jenner's followers. Engage on hashtag posts. Reply to competitors' commenters. Always use real names for comments. These are things nobody tells you, but they work like magic when done consistently. See you in episode 5, and let's keep growing together.